Just a few years ago, we started traveling. I would save all year just to take a trip so that we could make memories that we never got to make before. I started slowly understanding what I thought life was really about, and I wanted us to live it. I started doing YouTube to document memories of my family, and it ended up turning into therapy for myself. I never imagined that when I took videos of us coming together and buying my mom something that she owns for the first time in her life, that other people would be supportive and understanding. We are so overwhelmed with the love and support. Thank you from the bottom of our hearts. We were going to take a month to get Mom's camper ready so she could move in July, but ironically the apartments where she lived for so many years has suddenly, without notice, changed ownership. So the timing of this is mind-blowing. I'm so happy we got her camper before this happened. Instead of her moving in July, we're going to go ahead and move her out this week. So this is Brandon, this is my brother, and he's over here gonna do some cleaning, and he's weed eating. This is Callie. Hi, Pumpkin. This is Mom's camper. Hey.
Hey.
Let me see your beautiful smile. You look real pretty.
It's got so
We got
many
Holly in
cabinets.
there cleaning.
So many cabinets.
Callie Wags. Callie Wags.
Oh, I'm just checking things out.
Got some lights in here now, so there's a slide there. That's where Mom's bed's gonna be. She's got a full closet. Wow, this is big. Wow, she got a shelf. I guess the TV can go there. She's got a desk. Just needs a lot of cleaning. Like, there's a lot of bugs and it's pretty big in here. That's her sink area.
Camping fan.
What a nerd. I think it's awesome though. But honestly, it's pretty big.
Not connected.
So dusty.
How's the fans going, babe?
So it's the living room.
Right. Hey.
Who's playing with the lights?
Me.
Look at Mom over there.
Doing her own thing.
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's way down there. Oh my gosh.
That's one way to clean it out. At least it works.
Mom's exploring her new area. She loves to walk. Holly is in here getting it.
And it's a 1-to-1 ratio. But it conditions the rubber roof along with eliminating mold and mold.
This is your new area. This is your new home.
I'm real worried about this rear wall. With as bubbled out as it is.
Yeah.
Oh, my feet are getting so wet.
Watching Michelle. Brandon's gonna clean the roof.
Roof wash,
Yep.
brush, water,
Wow. Check.
hand time. A lot of elbow grease.
This and that.
My brother's like the best handyman ever. He can do anything. He was in the military. He's a firefighter. He's an engineer. He can fix anything, do anything. It's such a blessing to have him. He is like the smartest man that I know. You do this at your job?
All the time.
Ew.
Normally I wear water boots.
It's black. Beer call.
Yeah. Think of it like a sword.
Sorry.
Close enough.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, you too. Wow. How you feel?
Good.
Are you excited?
I don't know how bad I want to go to Dollar General and look around and buy something. I'm going to be over there every day.
That's Mom's camper, and that's actually where I live, so that's mine. So we're close to each other. Redbird. It looks so much cleaner already. Like, before, after. Look at the difference, like before, after. That's crazy. How clean it came. Wow. Looks so good.
Yeah. Big difference. That is just incredible.
Good job, Brandon.
It's free up there.
Look how good it looks. So clean. Wow.
Can you say banana pudding? Banana pudding.
That's crazy. Look how clean it looks. Look how much cleaner it already is. That's crazy. We got the whole team out here. The difference in how much cleaner this camper is. Look at that. So nice. I mean, it looks almost brand new. This is the last wall. So this is what the whole wall looked like before. Crazy. Playing in dirt.
We made strawberry pie.
Wow, you made a strawberry pie?
Look, it says strawberry cookies.
And she made some cookies.
It's beautiful.
Gladly.
Is it? You fixed it?
Yeah.
It's all full of molasses.
Whoosh fan. The condenser fan and blower fan are on one motor with a shaft that has two fan blades. It blows air out here, blows air inside. It was just seized up. So all I did was forcefully break it free, and now it's running.
Crazy. Well, Brandon fixed the air conditioner.
Blower motor wasn't moving before it.
Crazy. You got emotional?
Yeah.
Everybody came together to watch your home?
I mean, whoever thought we'd ever own a camper
Are
in
you
our lifetime?
are you excited to move in here?
Yeah. I can't believe we got a camper.
It's your camper. That's your home.
And you know what? The only difference is,
Strawberry,
What?
what? You got strawberry what?
strawberry carrot.
Strawberry carrot cake? Wow.
I love it. What's the only?
The only difference is you have an outdoor grill and I don't.
You can easily get one.
See, look at it. That's the only difference.
I'm glad I get a break.
Inside.
Yeah. Come on, let's check it out.
Go fill your AC, Mom.
It's all dirty.
We gotta wash it. Holly, how's it feel? Oh my gosh.
On the walls is cobwebs, I have discovered.
Holly, you've really done a good job. Mom, now that it's all clean in here and the lights are on and your air is on, how does it feel?
Turn the air on. That's
Brandon did that. Wow. It actually starting to feel like home.
I think it's cooling.
It's cooling. Mom, what you thinking about? Keep going.
And that one.
Mm-mm.
But you got them two right there.
Yeah.
I like that. I like this little nook in here.
Yeah, you'll be cozy.
Yeah, see, it puts the TV right there and I can sit right here. Well, these are wide. I didn't notice that.
Aren't they
These are
pretty?
wide.
They did that rustic distress look on all of the
I thought they were
stuff.
dark blue.
The ones behind you are.
I'm giving Lacey this lamp for the baby.
Mom's not here, but I just want to take a video of how clean the camper is. One of the commenters said disgusting, but it really was kind of gross when we got it. But look how clean it is. I mean, it looks brand new, and the inside is nice. It's in really good condition. Everything's nice. Like, look how clean. So not so disgusting anymore, huh? Looks really good. Look at that. The inside still needs some work, but look how clean it is. So much better. I mean, it looks really good in here.
Thank you everyone for the support once again. I will keep you guys updated on Mom's new journey.
You got emotional?
Yeah.
Everybody came together to watch your home?